Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. My name is Satang Bayo, and welcome to Season Cuisine. Welcome to my official cooking channel. Before we even get to this channel, I wanted to just introduce myself to you so that we can get acquainted. And to get to that, first let's go back to my name because you probably heard my name and said what. But think about my name. It's pronounced as Satang. So think about it in two ways. So for the first part is Sa, and the last part is Tang. So Satang. And for my last name, let's think about biology. So for the first part of biology is Bio. So my last name is pronounced as Bio. So you can tell that based on my name and probably from my accent that you're wondering where I'm from. So I am from a little country in West Africa called the Gambia. It is absolutely stunning. I moved to the US when I think I was 12 going on 13, and I am almost 27 years old. And for almost all those years, my junior to senior year, I have been passionate about food and travel. I'm always thinking about food. It's really bad. My friends know me for always eating food, and they don't know how come I am so skinny based on all of the food that I eat every day. I also love to travel. I am always planning my next trip with friends and family. So that's what I love to do. So now let's get into this channel. For my channel, the basis for my channel is, let's just go back to my two favorite things, which is actually, like I mentioned before, food and travel. So I wanted my YouTube channel to be based on things that I love. So I created this page so that I can share my travel food experience with you, as well as just share my favorite restaurants that I've visited, or the favorite restaurants that I love to go to, and my favorite dishes to eat in general that I love to eat all of the time, that I grew up with. So I want to share all of that with you. My goal for this channel is to recreate those dishes. So from all the play countries that I've visited, my favorite meals to eat, I want to recreate all those dishes, with the ultimate goal of sharing that same experience with you. This quarantine made me realize that you don't have to buy a ticket to go to Asia, to go to Puerto Rico, to go to New Orleans. Like me, I love New Orleans. You don't have to do all of that. You also don't have to spend money to go to your favorite restaurants, and just go out to eat all the time. You can have that same experience. You can enjoy that same authentic meal, that same experience from the comfort of your home. And for the name of my channel, like I said, I grew up in West Africa and I grew up around food. My mom loves food. She passed that down to me. I love food, and I'm sure I'm going to pass that down to my kids. And we always cooked every day. So back home, we would cook fresh meals, fresh ingredients for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. That's what I grew up with, and that inspired the name for this channel, because I love seasoned food. I love tasteful food, delicious meal. I love that. So that's how I came up with the name for this channel, Season Cuisine, because that's what I want to deliver to you, and that's what I hope that you will get from me. And this channel is for anyone and everyone, but it's especially for my foodies. If you love to cook, you love to go out to eat, spend money, go to Taco Tuesday, brunch, all of that, this channel is for you. This channel is also for my travelers. People like me, I always pick my travel location based on the meal. Many people I know pick a location because they want to go to a concert, there's an event happening in the beach. It's not in my case. Whenever I pick a country, I look at what countries are known for their meals or amazing food, and that's how I pick my country. So if you love to travel for food, this channel is for you. This channel is also for my adventurers. So if you value and appreciate different cultures, different food, and just love to enjoy and have that experience, this channel is for you, because my goal is to bring all of those different cultures, the different food and palettes and tastes to you. And this channel is also for anybody that loves to just watch people cook. You want to watch me cook, you want to watch different meals, or you're bored, anything like that, this channel is for you. And if you love what you hear so far and what you see, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification button for whenever I post a new video. Thank you and bye.